how are you? I am Miss Sandy, and today we are going to learn about farm animals. Many animals can live at the farm. Most of them make their homes at the farm. We call these animals pets too. I am going to tell you a story of an old farmer whose name was MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm with different animals. So let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a farmer named Old MacDonald. He had a farm with different animals. He kept his animals in the farm. He always took care of them. So let's see, who are they? Cow. Cow. Can you repeat after me? C O W. Cow. Can you do the cow sound with me? Moo. 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 Very good. A pig. Pig. Can you repeat after me? P I G. Pig. Can you do the pig sound with me? Oi oi. Oi oi. Oi oi. Oi oi. Excellent. A horse. Horse. Can you repeat after me? H O R S E. Horse. Can you do the horse sound with me? Very good. A duck. Duck. Can you repeat after me? D U C K. Duck. Can you do the duck sound with me? Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. Very good. A dog. Duck. Can you repeat after me? D O G. Dog. Can you do the dog sound with me? Okay. Woof, 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 woof. Excellent. Whoops. A cat. Cat. Can you repeat after me? C A T. Cat. Can you do the cat sound with me? Meow, 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 meow. Very good. Ooh. A chicken. Chicken. Can you repeat after me? C H I C K E N. Chicken. Can you do the chicken sound with me? Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Excellent. Okay, very good, kids. Now let's sing a song together. Of MacDonald. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a clack clack here and a clack clack there, here a clack, there a clack, everywhere a clack clack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With an E here and an E there, here a E, there a E, everywhere a E. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You did an excellent work. Very good, kids. Now, with the help of your parents, practice these animals and the sounds they make. And don't forget to send your evidence to your teacher's email. I've had a lot of fun. Okay? So, see you soon. I miss you and I love you. Bye-bye, kiss. Bye-bye.